Hey guys, today's going to be an update of where I'm at in my trading. It's a good update. Definitely some new stuff's coming. So pretty much just get straight into it. As of the start of April, it's now the 22nd of April. Start of April, we were trading a strategy. That strategy got me over $10,000 in payouts in the months of November and December. But then January, February, March, and then that start of April, I was just getting smashed. Loss, pretty much. Win rate was probably like 15%. So it wasn't good. So 2 weeks ago, April 7th, 2 weeks ago, it's the 22nd. 2 weeks ago, I decided to change the strategy. And between 2 weeks ago and now, there's been a lot of strategy hopping. I think I swapped like 2 times or something, which is fine. No regrets. So yeah, I swapped strategies because I wasn't seeing results on the previous one anymore. And I'm like, stuff this. I need to adapt to the markets. The markets won't adapt to me. So decided to change. I went on to do I learned trades by SI, which was very helpful. And then that was it. I was starting to learn, this is for like 2 days. I was starting to learn options and stocks, and I'm like, this is crazy. Why would I want to be learning like a whole new idea of trading? That's kind of resetting my timer, a whole new confluences, whole new everything. So I don't really have the time, but I don't want to be spending all my energy learning just something completely new, like options, completely new, so different. Like I watched a couple YouTube videos and I'm like, whoa. I'm not gonna even bother. I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna stick with what I know, and that's ICT high time frame. So stop doing that. Stop doing the trades by side. Stopped all the strategy hopping. But I did learn things in the process, which was great. So within those 2 weeks, I learned a lot. And then last night, came back and I'm like, I just regathered my thoughts and I thought, let's just go back to the original strategy and tweak it a little bit. Let's do that. Let's try it. So I did that. Last night, back testing went well. So back tested through like 7 trades, and then the win rate was 4 and 3, so 4 wins, 3 losses. Um, which is fine. It's good. It's very profitable. Um, so I was like, okay, this is really good. Let's see what we can do. So today, I, last night, had to go to bed. Um, and then came back from work today, and I continued back testing, and the results are really good. It's like 10 wins, 8 losses, so kind of the same statistic as last night. Whatever that is in percentage win rate, 10 wins, 8 losses, and it's looking good. It's looking good. So this new strategy that I've learned is kind of the original one, but tweaked a little bit and a little bit, I suppose. Kind of pretty much the only difference is the main confluence in my previous strategy I no longer need, but I now need more 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 bias, more confluence in the new strategy. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's a big difference, but it's not a big difference because it's only one confluence difference, but it's the main confluence difference. Um, so yeah, the main thing with this is just I need the daily, 4 hour, and hourly all to align time frame wise. And I was really bad at doing that with the previous strategy because I just wanted to like trade. So I'd get stuck on that hourly time frame and I wouldn't look at the daily and 4 hour. But this way it like forces me to look at the daily and 4 hour. Um, yeah, and I'm pretty much just trading with the trend, which is what I learned in the previous 2 weeks. With trades by size, he's very like that, kind of trading with the trend, making sure time frames align. I learned some confluences from him that I still use that are technically part of the strategy, but it's just a little bit more discretionary, which I really like about it. Um, yeah, so that's where we're at trading wise. We're learning a new strategy. Back testing results are going really well, and I'm going to continue to back test tonight a little bit. I'm going to continue to demo trade for the rest of this week, which are 3 more New York Opens this week. There's one in 40 minutes. It's 10:50, so in 40 minutes New York Open, and then Thursday night, Friday night. So I'm going to be active on those and see if we can get some demo trades in. I did look into trading stocks in the previous 2 weeks, in the past 2 weeks. Never did it, but definitely want to backtest it. I did backtest it, and I was profitable backtesting. Um, I literally think every session I backtested I was green, which is really good. That's for stocks, but it's very weird. Stocks is only open New York session. There is no Asia and London. So I'm talking about stocks in the Nasdaq pretty much. So that I was trading like the top 7 stocks, like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, all the ones that anyone would know. I was just backtesting all of them, like 1 month, one pair, and then I just like random Meta, March, Fang, Amazon, February, bang. And they're all green, which is great. So I'm going to look into trading stocks with this strategy. The strategy that I've been backtesting now is for the Nasdaq, which will also work for Dow. And yeah, there's been 18 trades taken, and I'm 2 months and 2 weeks in. I've got 2 more weeks of the session. It was a 3 month session. I'm nearly at the end, and I've got 18 trades done. So yeah, that's just a bit of an update on the backtesting. Future going into next week, I'm kind of waiting to get paid because I've been full porting crypto. Um, so I'm waiting to get paid. I'm going to set up a live account and I'm going to trade the live account. That way I can continue to gather data, whether swing trading is the way to go or day trading or both. Doesn't matter. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't know where I'm going to put 1K or 2K into a live account. Don't know. Uh, I'm going to have to see how much I have when I get paid, how much I have in total. But because I'm going to buy a lot of crypto, that's my plan. Bitcoin's at where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Bitcoin's at 78,000 USD. I've already got a lot of crypto and I've already been invested in crypto for like 2 years, 2 years-ish. I was actually I was there for the previous bull run, so I got into I landed right on it. November 2024. I was no, sorry. Yeah, 2023, sorry. Like November, December 2023. That's when I got into crypto. So it's 3 years ago. But I only had, like a couple hundred, $500 in there. So like it did nothing. So I kind of been doing it for a while. Not doing it, not that I know what I'm doing, like a pro, but I'm definitely stacking up on my crypto. I've been buying this whole way down since like October last year. Been buying the whole way down, and I'm going to continue to buy because I believe we're at such a discount. So yeah, for me next week, bit of like news for my news on my financial side. A lot of money is going into crypto, and it will continue to go into crypto. If we're below like 120 on Bitcoin, um, but I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and SUI Sui, which is like 20th largest market cap. It's not a meme fucking Sui or Ronaldo bullshit. It's called Sui. Um, so yeah, crypto, which I plan to put a bit of money towards, like in a week, and then and continue to throw money at it, and then 1 or 2K into a live account. I'd prefer 2K because 2K is like real money. Like it's money. It's not nothing. 2K is risking 1% a trade. It's $20 a trade. So I'd probably be risking $20 a trade for the first couple weeks ish. Um, to gain data on the strategy, which is a great idea. I'm not going to be risking 5%. And then if I can, prove to myself that it's a good one and I've gathered data, then I can definitely up my risk and then yeah, go for funded accounts. So that's kind of the idea going forward. But that's all I wanted to share. Just a bit of an update. So the strategy's changed. Going all in with this one because it's very similar to my previous one, the one that got me 10K in payouts. And there is stuff that I learned in the previous 2 weeks that works really well with this. So yeah, I'm not learning a whole new confluence like fucking bullshit. Stick with ICT, stick with what you know, and that's definitely the right choice. So yeah, I'm confident with this, and we'll see. We'll see. So going forward, which I'll probably make a video again in a couple of weeks, we're going to get a live account. We're going to try and grow that live account. And then we're also stacking crypto, which I've never spoken about crypto on the channel, but I'm very big on crypto. I've always been putting money in crypto. This is not like I'm just getting into it now. I already have a lot of money in crypto. I thought I'd come on and say maybe you should buy some. I don't know though. But yeah, we'll do. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment what you think. And one more thing, I will be getting a new camera when I get paid as well. I forgot about that. That's only like $500 or something, which is a lot of money. But I'm gonna get a camera so that there's no bullshit camera quality. And then if I get one, I'll actually record like a lot more. So it should be good. So yeah, thanks for watching.